Cut. This is not Teen Nick. This is PBS Kids. Take 2.
PBS.
Cut. This is not Nick at Night. This is PBS Kids. Take 3. Cut. You cannot make that into a TriStar company. You have to do it normal. Take 4.
PBS.
Cut. This is not Nick Jr. This is PBS Kids. Take 5.
PBS.
Cut. This is not Boomerang. This is PBS Kids. Take 6. Cut. Why is the image green? It's not supposed to be green. It's supposed to be normal. Take 7. Cut. The image is not supposed to be flipped the other way. Take 8.
PBS Kids.
Cut. This is not FedEx. This is PBS Kids. Take 9.
PBS.
Cut. The image is not supposed to be upside down. Take 10. Cut. You're not supposed to put the image in grayscale. It's supposed to be in full color. Take 11.
PBS.
Cut. This is not Fox Kids. This is PBS Kids. Final take. If you mess it up, then I am done, and this idea will be canceled. Final take, also known as Take 12.
PBS Kids.
Perfect. You did great. Our next blooper video will be the Insects ID bloopers. Bye.